guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm traveling from Tuni to Hyderabad. It's of 550 kilometers or so. So I'll be reaching there by evening. So have a look on my bike. So guys, trip have begun. Just came out from my home. Just 1 kilometer from my home, and yesterday night itself I have done full tank, and I have made trip 1 and trip 2 as 0. So we have to see how many kilometers actually it comes. I'll be choosing shortcuts like bypass highways. By that I can save time and kilometers as well. Chalo. So this highway which we are connecting now, if we go in this direction straight, it will go to Vizag and Kolkata and so on. And this straight road, it will be going to Chennai. Exact straight road you'll have. On the way you'll get Rajahmundry, Vijayawada and Nellore, so on. This is the entrance of Annavaram. It's so famous in Andhra Pradesh. I don't know whether other state people know this place or not. It's Satyanarayan Swami's temple. So here is same replica of the temple on the top. People who can't visit top or who don't have any plans to visit top on the way, so they'll stop here. I've just prayed that it should rain on the way, but not heavy rain, like constant small rain. This highway is the same in my previous videos where I went to Tirupati and Maredmilli. From this highway only I have took deviation, and the video where I went to Tirupati is the same highway almost till near Hanuman Junction where I am going today. So on this road I am not vlogging much. If you have watched the video, please go and watch, so you'll find the same road. And till now the sceneries will be so good. You'll find Swami Vivekananda statue and Hanuman statue. If you wanted to see this, please go to my previous videos and watch. So guys, as soon as you enter Rajahmundry, you'll get a board where it shows to take right, mentioning Vijayawada and Khammam. It's newly constructed highway. It's not full-fledged, but it is getting constructed. So this is the right we have to take. It's just 156 kilometers from here, Vijayawada, and if you go straight, it will be more distance, and time will consume more. So safe. This is the same road where I went to Tirupati. From here I got connected to Vijayawada, and from Vijayawada city we'll go to Tirupati. It is so long, and till now I have completed 94 kilometers, and it took 1 hour 10 minutes or so. 1 hour, 1.5 hours, sorry, 1.5 hour, and I have completed 94 kilometers. A small stretch. This road won't be that good, and after few kilometers, after crossing the bridge, you'll actually get a good highway, national highway, 6-line highway. So we'll meet there. Trip update: just have completed 100 kilometers. I took 5-minute break, just stretched my body, and maintaining a good pace. Average speed I'm maintaining till now is 70 kilometers per hour. I'm not giving much strain to my body now. Hydrating yourself without getting dehydrated in these trips are so important. It makes your body free and relaxed. And one advantage, bad roads under construction. And one advantage I found in this trip is if you get a good road without curves, I can lean to my bag on the back, and I can rest my hands here. I can do that so that I'll get relaxed. Godavari Bridge has started, and this is Godavari River, and that bridge, I don't know whether you people can see it or not. That bridge, it will be like down, trains will go, and on that vehicles can go. I think that is the bridge, or after that there will be another bridge that I'm not exactly sure about it. And this is bridge number 4, if I'm not wrong. This bridge I have already seen in my previous video where I went to Tirupati. If you haven't watched it, watch it. Second toll gate for the day. And ఇటు బండికి కూడా ప్లేస్ అవుతుంది లేదురా బాబు ఫుల్గా. ఈడ అయిపోయాడు ఆటో. ప్లేస్ వదలకుండా పెడితే ఎలాగరా బాబు, బళ్ళేలా వెళ్తాయి అనుకుంటున్నాడు. సో ఫుల్గా బ్లాక్ క్లౌడ్స్. హోప్ ఇట్ రైన్స్ నౌ. %66 of my viewers didn't subscribe my channel. Please go and subscribe. You'll get more videos like this. I'll get improved day by day. I'll try my level best to satisfy you people. ఫాస్ట్లీ ఇక్కడ ఎక్కిద్దామని చూసినట్టున్నాడు, తిరగబడిపోయాడు. Actually trained here, but now it stopped. Till now it rained. As I entered, it stopped. If it again started raining, I have to stop, remove my action camera from helmet and put it in my bags. So it started raining so heavily. I'm stopping now. I have to cover myself and put this camera inside, or else it will get damaged and I'll be in trouble repairing it. As I stopped, it stopped raining, and now anyhow I'm rain covered. So front, I think it's raining huge, so I'm removing my camera here. And till now it rained from the time I wore this raincoat. And there again I went to Garuda to have my breakfast. It's the same place where I went to have breakfast when I went to Tirupati. It's the same place. Again I had my breakfast there. Again started. Till now it rained, and now it's good. Climate is cool as well. And from that time my bag which I have hanged backside, it started falling to the right. So every time I push it, my hand is getting numb at that time. So I have to find some solution for it and fix it up. It's very difficult to ride with that raincoat without when it's not raining. Literally got suffocation inside. So I removed and tied it on my backpack itself. If that backpack wasn't there, I think my ride will be more comfortable. Because of that, I literally getting this arm pain here while pushing it backside. As of now, everything is smooth. We started at 6:45. Now time is 11:21 and completed 231 kilometers. Still Google Maps is showing 7 hours. So let's see when I'll go. Heavy rain, I have to wear my raincoat as soon as possible. Have to cover this. So much of tensions, yaar. Suddenly it started heavy rain. One thing is covered. As soon as I take my cam out, it will rain. ఇది పక్కా. ఇందాక ఇలా క్యామ్ బయటికి తీసాను, వర్షం. ఇప్పుడు క్యామ్ తీసాను, వర్షం. It's just drizzling here. I think you people can't see it in this video. I don't know is my camera doing the justification of this rain or not. It's lightly increasing. If it increases a bit more, I have to put this camera in my tank bag itself and take my gloves off and wear. Once I have tried riding in rain without gloves, small droplets, each and every droplets will hit you like small stones. So wearing gloves when you are driving in rain is recommended. So guys, time is 2:13 and we have come 344 kilometers. So from that time it started raining and it's constantly raining. It's decreasing, increasing, heavy rains, and this is the situation of my bike. This cover, this got torn for the splash from the tires, and this is perfectly all right. And this bag, this rain cover started flying off and this bag got wet. Luckily inside everything is fine, water didn't go in. If you see my hands, was open and I got this holding here in my hand. Almost entered Telangana. That side is Andhra Pradesh and this side is Telangana. Almost I've entered Telangana, so stay tuned guys. Finally I have reached 464 kilometers. Still we have 87 kilometers to go and it's showing 2 hours 15 minutes. While starting the ride I told I am praying that it should rain, and continuously for 4 hours it rained. Now it has stopped raining. Afternoon it rained. Now I'm fed up with rain. No rain rides for few days. So finally, at my brother's place in Hyderabad, I've traveled today around 554 kilometers, and I've reached here at 8 o'clock. And yeah, that's it, guys. I have to take rest now. I should go get painkillers and I should sleep. So thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. If you want to give any suggestions, you can put it down in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you.